Hey everybody, how's it going? This is your boy JB. We're back once again with a new recipe. This is my mum's best ever chicken and vegetable soup. So we're going to take 250 grams of soup mix being lentils, split peas, that sort of thing. We're going to steep them overnight and then drain them off through a sieve. We're then going to add them back into the soup pan. Add in all of the vegetables that you're going to use within the soup. Add in 3 chicken drumsticks one at a time. Fill the pan up with chicken stock until it comes up to the top of the vegetables. It's roughly around 800 milliliters. Bring it up to the boil and then turn it down and simmer for at least an hour and a half until the chicken is completely tender. Take out the chicken legs and start stripping the meat off the bone before chopping it up finally. Add the chicken back into the broth and let it go and simmer for another hour until all of the barley has plumped up and it's nice and thick. As always, if you like what you see here, please give this recipe a thumbs up or share it on all of your social media channels, as well as subscribe to my YouTube. If you like your recipes in written format, you can get this recipe and more on fatladfood.co.uk.